So actually we brought a Sony A7 IV. Now we are going to unbox it, and it's very premium luxury camera. Actually I think it's best for social media content creator, and we're going to create a video for high quality purpose for official or content creator. They all can buy this. So now we are going to unbox it. Stay with us. Nice. Here, three power cables, which are suitable for the sports. Okay. So you can use this. Then these are the documents. All are comes with the camera. And now in the final moment, here is the actual camera. Yes. So this is the camera. Nice. And this is the back part. Yes. Top part. Actually, when I install it, so this is the final look.
Yes. Premium.
The flip out screen. Actually, we need a screen protector. So now, here's the battery. Okay, let's open the. Here other things are here. The strap, actually original Sony strap. Here mentioned Sony 74.
Yes.
Other PC to camera C cable, USB-C.
Well, this one is USB-C.
Yes. And the last part, the charger. Here.
Okay, charger.
Okay. Then next, open. Okay.
রাফিজ আনবক্সিং ভিডিও করতে। Yes.
Here are the documents.
बोलो क्या? Nice. Yes. The most premium powerful. Wow. এটা একটু বড় না সিগমার থেকে?
Almost.
Wow, the most premium equipment. Agile.
Okay.
পাঁচ বছর চলে যাবে ও কে বলছে পুরো রেখে দেন
Probably ব্যাটারিতে চার্জ নাই, চার্জ দিতে হবে। এখন চার্জে লাগাইতে হবে।
ওয়াও।
বলো